If we had like real trucks and real equipment.
What if I paint Ford on this?
If we had real trucks and real equipment, I'd probably have to stay then. But
What do we need for real equipment?
John Deere's. I don't know what this is doing, but there we go. Oh, look at what this beautiful, beautiful ethanol fuel does to everything.
Oh, look at the corrosion.
Is that still on? Okay, so
yeah.
yeah, look at that. This line's also. So that's what I was saying. I could hear it bubbling. That's probably why it was just.
I told Cody it was probably the lines, but he continued to want to put starting fluid in it, continued to try to crank it over.
So see now, but this is why they also say it's important to keep your tank full of gas, because see, if people run their tanks down low, you see, actually you probably see that's probably the fuel line right there.
And you know what? My father-in-law, king of putting $2 in. No, I'm serious.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah.
That thing probably hasn't seen gas on that line since he bought it.
But so not only is it important because of this, but also your fuel pump's right here. Well, the fuel keeps your fuel pump cold. I mean, you know, cooled down.
Yeah.
Where otherwise, if you have low gas, your fuel pump gets hot.
Well, that's definitely our problem.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
He's trying to burn the shop down.
Don't show that EPA.
That was water.
That was water. It probably is water.